Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good, beautiful people. Chris Newton here. Chris Newton Real Estate. All right, let's bring you guys into 151 11th Street. So it's gonna be a one-story walk up. Newly renovated, very spacious. You guys are about to see right now. So this is what you guys see when you walk upstairs. So it's only 3 units in the building. So you guys can see beautiful countertops, stainless steel appliances. Let's keep it going. Built-in microwave, you see the range. See the lighting. Now, I'm gonna kind of switch it up on you guys. So let's start from here, going. So we have the island right here, great for cooking. Well, the stove is great for cooking. The island is actually great for preparing, right? Entertaining your guests. So you have a spacious living, dining room area. You guys have backyard views. Let's go over here. Let's keep it pushing. Now I'm gonna swing the camera over so you guys get to see everything. Let's pan it, let's pan it, let's pan it, let's pan it. Whoa! So you guys can see tons of space here. So we're gonna walk down this corridor. First door to the right, your new bathroom. This right here is gonna be your pantry. Not pantry, linen closet. Come on with it for me. Junior bedroom. Let's bring it back a little bit. Fits a full, easily fit a twin. This will fit full to a queen. Big closets, as you guys can see, built-in shelving for maximum organization. I've been over here. You guys might see me, but it's okay. You guys see me all the time anyway. Okay. Right here we look out towards Street. Here goes the other bedroom. So let me pan it. Let me pan it. Easily fits a full to a queen as well. Sorry, the light is out right now. Don't worry about that. You'll put a light bulb in here. That's the least of your worries. Right? That's definitely the least of your worries. Let's pose this right here. Wait. Oh! We do have some type of light here. There we go. I just got my fingers caught, but there you guys go. Tons of shelving. Organize it, bags, shoes, belts. I have a bunch of belts. So on and so forth. All right? So let's do this quick one again in the kitchen. Because this came out of there. So let's do the kitchen. You guys will see the asking price. And push the Talk to you guys soon. Chris Newton Real Estate, chrisnewtonrealestate.com. Have a good one.